can see from the lake, so we don't know, but we're kicked out of Catacomb.
Every year
Hi,
we've
Mommy.
been by this place a couple
Hi,
places, and every year it's
Brenna.
rained anyways.
Oh.
Brenna.
Maybe probably will take it around the lake also, but good this time too, all the rain we've been having.
Molly, talk to her. Tell her.
What are you doing? You trying? You trying? You saying hi? You trying? Hi. A little difference in color. One's much darker. She's got, I guess, well, you have.
I think it's the balsamo side.
Yeah.
Get her.
No, don't pull her hair. Well, that's not nice. Just because you don't have any hair to pull. That's not nice. Brother didn't have much just a few weeks ago. It's coming in pretty good now. Huh?